Welcome, good evening. I am the Wizard of Wall Street. Today we'll be doing the week 1 recap on how to grow a $1,000 account to $100,000. It's a Robinhood challenge. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Alright, so week 1, we are up. Week 1, I did add $300 yesterday when I got paid. But essentially, we are still up, and I'll go over the numbers on a spreadsheet. I usually track all my gains. As you can see, these are the current positions we are in. This is what we're up and what we're down. I did buy 100 shares of IDEX. I felt this company is going to go up in the future, so I've been doing selling puts and selling calls on this. As you can see here, to get credits, and I'm also did a sell a put on this one, MVIS. Alright, so we'll go over what we have. This is my tracker. These are all the positions that I've entered. These are the ones that I've exited over here. First one was Foot Locker. Profited a quick $10 on Foot Locker. I wasn't feeling it too good. There were some points where Foot Locker was hitting me really hard at $100 losses. So the next day I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna completely get out of it. So I got my $10 and I took off with it. AT&T, I broke even. These 3 positions, I am still in these 3 positions. I did enter another right just recently, but the first one that I did, I profited $35 off of. Facebook, I broke even on Facebook. I forgot to write it down, but I did break even on Facebook. Intel, I profited $66 on Intel. IDEX, I sold the put on IDEX. I got $25 credit. So essentially pretty much got a discount if this breaks under $2, because I did the sold a $2 put. MVIS, I also sold a put on this one, and I got $125 credit on this, which is crazy. So essentially I leveraged $500 to make $125, and if this drops down to $5, I pretty much got in on this stock at a huge discount. And then on top of that, I can, once I get these 100 stocks, if it does drop under 5 and my contract gets exercised, I can on top of that sell a call like I'm doing here on this one and make more money. So eventually I can keep doing it every month to eventually keep lowering my entry price. So I could pretty much get this stock for free. All these stocks are these 2 stocks for free if I just keep getting credit and pushing down my entry price. So you can see here, with all these added, I got a profit of $286 for the week, plus that $300 that I added, which gives me a total of $1,500. I do plan on adding my stimulus check that I'm getting. I haven't got it in yet, but as soon as I get it, I think I'm getting $1,500. So I really don't need the money, so I'm gonna put all that $1,500 here and just kind of blow up my account with selling puts on certain high IV stocks. As you can tell, if you hear the fireworks, but there's still fireworks going on. People are excited for 2021. I know I am. I'm tired. I was tired of hell of 2020. So I'm glad we're starting a new year, starting this challenge fresh. But that's it for the week, guys. I'll keep you updated next week. Hopefully we can grow quicker and we can start leveraging our capital to make money for us. I'll start introducing some guides. Stay tuned for the weekly watch list I'm going to put out every Sunday. Every Sunday I put out a watch list. Let's grow this community together, guys. You know, remember, if you could, there's a Discord. I mean, there's not too many people in it. There's probably like a couple people, but I'm starting fresh, trying to grow this community. So if you want, please join the community, help me grow. We can grow together. If you could take your knowledge that you learn and your failures, your successes that you learn, apply them to the future to better yourself as a trader. As I go through this, I'm taking all my failures and learning from my failures and my losses that I got. And hopefully I can apply those to the future so that I can, make wiser decisions, make better decisions, and see what works good when it comes to trading options for me. Everybody's going to be different. You're going to be a different trader than I am. But I think, if you learn from your mistakes and your successes, you could find who you are and where you're best at. And I hope we can do that together. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned tomorrow for my watch list. I'll be going over 5 stocks that I'm going to be potentially getting into. I'll break down why I'm getting into them through technical analysis, and then we'll go from there. So you have a good night.